Step back in time and discover beautiful Cartagena, a Spanish city with historic wonders and delectable delights waiting around every corner. Begin your journey at the awe-inspiring Roman Theater, where ancient performances echo through the stone. Then explore the Punic Wall, where Cartagena's ancient defenders once stood guard over this vibrant city. Take a scenic trip to nearby Murcia, where the stunning Cathedral of Murcia towers over a lively plaza. Wander through charming streets filled with culture and art around every corner. After exploring, it's time to unwind, Cartagena-style. Watch a master chef cook up authentic paella right before your eyes. Or trade the paella for some tapas while you admire the Spanish purebreds during a visit to a horse ranch. Or sip on handcrafted wines at a cozy bodega. Book your celebrity cruise today and prepare to discover Cartagena, where your story unfolds one unforgettable moment at a time.